Welcome to The Explainer. I am so pumped to have you here today. So, you're learning English, and you already know that actual, real-life communication is the ultimate end game. But let's be honest, taking that leap can feel super intimidating, right? Well, today, we are going to look at an amazing shortcut to solve one of the most common communication roadblocks together. We're going to master everyday conversations by locking down 40 essential English questions and answers.
Picture this. You're walking down the street, or maybe you just strolled into your local coffee shop, and someone smiles and asks you the most basic question in the world. How are you? You hear the words, you know exactly what they mean, you understand it perfectly, but then
your mind just goes completely blank, like total freeze out. The silence stretches on for just a second too long, and suddenly panic sets in. Look, if you have been there, take a deep breath. I need to validate that anxiety right now because this dreaded mind blank happens to literally almost every single English learner. It is completely normal. The pressure of just producing a response on the spot, it can overwhelm anyone.
Okay, let's dive right into this because I have some fantastic news for you. When I realized the secret here isn't spending hours memorizing thousands of complex, obscure sentences, it totally blew my mind. The trick is simply mastering just 40 high-utility questions. That's it. Everyday conversations tend to use the exact same questions on repeat. Once you have these locked in, that freeze response vanishes, and you start speaking with genuine, real confidence.
To make this as practical as possible, we are going on a cinematic journey through an average day. Here is our agenda. 1. Greetings and daily encounters. 2. Work, school, and hobbies. 3. Dining and shopping out. 4. Navigating travel and transit. And finally, 5. The daily practice challenge.
Section 1. Greetings and daily encounters.
Let's start right at the beginning of our day. It's morning. You're stepping out your front door, grabbing your keys, and having your very first interactions. These are your foundational greetings. The absolute basics, sure, but they are incredibly powerful. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? What's your name? My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Sri Lanka. Where do you live? I live in Colombo. When someone asks, where are you from, answering shouldn't require translating from your native language first. By practicing these direct pairings, you build vital muscle memory in your brain and your mouth, letting you breeze right through introduction.
Now, as you grab your morning coffee and make a little small talk, basic daily life questions come up constantly. What do you do? I'm a student. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one sister. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. What's your favorite drink? I like coffee. You see, it's pretty much a guarantee someone will ask about your preferences. Standing in a cafe and being asked, what's your favorite drink? Knowing you can smoothly reply, I like coffee, without skipping a beat, that's huge. Having these ready means you never have to stumble through basic small talk again.
Section 2. Work, school, and hobbies.
Let's move our cinematic timeline forward to mid-morning as we head into our productive hours. What do you do in your free time? I enjoy reading books. Do you like music? Yes, I do. What's your favorite movie? I like action movies. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Do you play sports? Yes, I play football. Now, what's really interesting about this is how discussing hobbies bridges the gap. We naturally move from quick hellos right into what we actually enjoy doing. Whether it's chatting about reading books or connecting over an action movie, these are the exact conversation starters that turn acquaintances into actual friends.
Wait, look at how brilliantly this illustrates a massive language shortcut. At school, someone asks, what are you studying? And you say, I'm studying English. Over at work, they ask, what are you doing now? And you answer, I'm learning English. The conversational structures at work perfectly mirror the ones at school. The grammar pattern is literally identical. Once you realize this, it becomes so much easier to adapt your answers to whatever specific situation you find yourself in.
Just imagine you're sitting at your desk in a classroom. What are you studying? I'm studying English. Which subject do you like? I like science. Do you like school? Yes, I do. Who is your teacher? My English teacher is Mr. Smith. When do your classes start? They start at 8 o'clock. You really don't need highly complex sentences to participate here. Simple, direct pairings like matching "Who is your teacher?" with "My English teacher is Mr. Smith" keep the conversation flowing completely naturally, letting you focus on the actual subject matter instead of panicking about verb tenses.
Now we shift over to the office environment. A coworker approaches your desk for a chat. Where do you work? I work in an office. Do you like your job? Yes, I enjoy it. What time do you start work? I start at 9. Are you busy today? Yes, a little. What are you doing now? I'm learning English. Knowing exactly how to answer a question like, "Are you busy today?" with a polite but firm, "Yes, a little," can be an absolute lifesaver when you need to escape a chatty colleague and get back to work. It is all about navigating the workplace with social grace.
Section 3. Dining and shopping out.
Okay, let's move to the afternoon. We're stepping out of work or school to run some errands. Put yourself in the shoes of a shopper navigating a bustling store. Can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for a jacket. How much is this? It's $20. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Do you have a larger size? Yes, we do. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. Armed with these exact transactional phrases, you are in total control. Clarity is key here. You get exactly what you want without any of the typical language friction.
Next up, it's time to eat, and this brilliantly illustrates just how efficient everyday language truly is. Are you ready to order? Yes, I am. What would you like to drink? I'd like a glass of water. Would you like dessert? No, thank you. How was your meal? It was delicious. Can I have the bill, please? Certainly. Look at that. Just 5 simple exchanges. Ordering, grabbing a drink, skipping dessert, complimenting the meal, and asking for the check can get you through an entire restaurant experience with total confidence.
Section 4. Navigating travel and transit. Let's set the final scene of our cinematic day. The sun is starting to set, and it's time for the commute home. Or maybe you're heading out on a larger journey. Where is the airport? It's 5 minutes away. Which gate is my flight? Gate A12. Is the train on time? Yes, it is. Where is the nearest hotel? It's across the street. Have a safe trip. Thank you very much. Let's be honest, travel can be super stressful, even in your native language. But having these specific transit questions ready completely eliminates the panic of getting lost or confused while lugging around heavy suitcases. You are ready to navigate the globe smoothly.
And finally, Section 5, the Daily Practice Challenge.
We've gone through a full day, and you've seen the essential questions in action. Now, the crucial point is how you actually apply them to finally stop translating in your head. So here is a concrete 3-step daily challenge for us to try together to turn these phrases into instant reflexes. Step 1. When you practice, pause after the question. Give yourself that beat. Step 2. Answer using your own real-life information. Don't say you live in Colombo if you actually live in Tokyo, right? Make it personal to you. And step 3, the absolutely most important one. Speak aloud. The more you actually use your physical voice, the faster your English will improve. As we wrap up this explainer, I really want to leave you with this empowering thought. Every conversation is another step toward fluency. You do not need to memorize an entire dictionary to connect with people. You just need the right tools and the courage to actually use them. Keep practicing and keep speaking, because tomorrow morning when someone smiles and says, "How are you?" instead of freezing up, what exactly are you going to say back? Think about it. Thank you so much for exploring this with me today, and I'll see you next time.